In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Battery. Now select High Performance Mode on the right by clicking on it, and to activate it, hit Turn On in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance was successfully enabled. To disable it, click on any other mode, like Balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!